G'day and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you some products from Aussie Traveller that have revolutionised your awning setup. They provide more strength and security than any other products on the market. It's the Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit as well as the Aussie Traveller curved roof rail. Now, working in combination, these products provide more strength and more security and a peace of mind when your awning's set up and you're at your campsite. Okay, so the big boss of the products, your anti-flap kit. Now this is the one that works the hardest. A little bit more to set up, but not much, but it does an absolute cracking job. So first things first, how it actually works. You've got your clamps here, which if I just release those, will actually reveal your clam mouth here. Now this part here is actually what clamps down onto the edge of the awning and holds down on it. And it runs, because it's a two-piece setup, it runs the whole length of your awning and it's adjustable, which I'll show you that shortly. So, to initially set up, you're just going to release those clamps there. Now I'm going to pop that down there. As I said, it's a two-piece setup. So you've got your first part, which you just slide into, and just give it a little gentle toggle there so it holds together, because from now, I'm going to go and put that up to the mounting plate that it comes with, that's on the side of the van, and then work it down the edge of the awning. Okay, so it's business time. Now I've got the clamp fully open, so that way then when I put it onto the edge of the awning, it slides over. So to make sure that that happens, get the AFK into the mounting plate that's on the side of the van, and then when I bring it up here, I'm actually just going to push it out away from the awning for a split second, and then bring it back over the top, line up the hole that's in your awning drum with the spigot, slide that into place, tighten up your tension nut here, and now it's as simple as walking back and just clamping down on the clamps onto the awning. From there, it's all done. It's a rinse and repeat on the other side. So with this combo of your anti-flap kit, your curved roof rail, you've got the most strength and rigidity in any awning setup. It just gives you a peace of mind knowing that you can sit back and relax, you can go out and explore, and your awning's going to be nice and secure.